Twist off. Twist off. To remove something by turning it. She twisted off the cap of the water bottle. He twisted off the lid and poured the juice. Flip up. Flip up. To lift something upward quickly. Flip up the lid before taking a sip from the bottle. I flipped up the screen on my laptop. Pump out. Pump out. To press to get something out, especially liquid. She pumped out some lotion from the bottle. I pumped out shampoo into my hand. Crack open. Crack open. To open something by breaking its seal. He cracked open a can of soda. She cracked open an egg into the bowl. Pop out. Pop out. To push something out from inside. He popped out a tablet from the pack. She popped out a pill for her medicine. Screw on. Screw on. To attach something by twisting it in place. He screwed on the bottle cap tightly. She screwed on the jar cover. Push in. Push in. To press something inward. Push in the straw into the juice box. I pushed in the straw into the juice box. Pull out. Pull out. To take something out by pulling. She pulled out a tissue from the box. The dentist pulled out my tooth. Shake up. Shake up. To mix something by shaking. I always shake up the sauce before using it. Shake up the juice bottle before drinking. Drop in. Drop in. To place something by letting it fall lightly. Drop in some sugar cubes, please. She dropped in a tea bag into the cup. Pull apart. Pull apart. Separate by pulling. She pulled apart the sandwich to share it. He pulled apart the bread and dipped it in soup. Dip in. Dip in. Put something briefly into a liquid. He dipped in the bread to taste the sauce. He dipped in the cookie into the milk. Turn over. Turn over. Flip something to the other side. Turn over the pancake to cook both sides. He turned over the book page. Pour out. Pour out. To let liquid flow from a container. Pour out the juice into a glass. She poured out the sauce over the pasta. Squeeze out. Squeeze out. To force something out by pressing. He squeezed out the toothpaste. She squeezed out lemon juice on the salad. Roll up. Roll up. To wrap or fold something into a roll. Roll up the mat after exercise. I rolled up the poster to take it home. Press down. Press down. Apply pressure downward. Press down the stamp firmly. She pressed down the pump to get soap. Spread out. Spread out. To open or arrange over a surface. She spread out the tablecloth before serving dinner. He spread out the dough with a rolling pin. Take off. Take off. To remove something from an object. She took off the lid from her coffee mug. Please take off the lid of the pot to check the food. Peel off. Peel off. To remove something by pulling it from the surface. She peeled off the sticker from the paper. She peeled off the label from the bottle.